Give Zach a bite of your cracker. Delilah, can you give Zach a bite of your cracker? Uh-oh. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? There's a nose. Oh, you guys are so cute. Uh-oh. Give Zachy a bite. Give Zach a bite. You give Zach a bite? Oh. You give each other kisses? Can you give kisses? What about hugs? Hair. What about hugs? Hair. Hair. What about noses? Where's your mouth? Mouth.